Hello guys, this is Alex here, Car Guy, and today I'll be showing you how to restore your headlights on your, in this case, 2008 Citroen C3. All I'm using is a headlight restoration paste, which is very effective. This is what the headlight used to look like, and currently just with one pass and a clean rug, that's all you need. And you have to scrub it. And I'm gonna show you what the result is, but it's very effective. So all you're gonna do is once you apply the paste to the clean towel, you're gonna apply it, and with a spinning motion, you're gonna start spinning the rug on the headlight, like just like that. And it's actually surprisingly very effective. I was actually very skeptical at first before I bought this, and this is not something expensive either. This cost only about in US dollars, I want to say, well, it's only about $12, so about 12 bucks, and the result is actually pretty impressive. You can do that a few times. You can do it with a machine. I decided to do it by hand, so I can show you just by doing it on hand what the result is. Take a look at the other one, which we're gonna do next, and take a look at this one. It's very effective. So I'm gonna do it another time. I'm gonna do it one more time, and then I'm gonna do it on the driver's side headlight. So again, you just need a small amount, and then very firm with pressure, with spinning motion. All you do is you spin the clean rag with the paste on the headlight unit. You're gonna get amazing results. I bought this from Gladiator, and this is in Bulgaria. Only cost, like I said, about 10 euros, so I believe that's about 12 or 13 bucks USD. So pretty good. You can do it with a machine. I actually have a machine, but it's actually very effective also if you just do it by hand. So almost brings it back as good as new. Very effective, and I love it. You just have to apply it firmly. Make sure you don't break the headlight. Make sure you don't break the clips or anything like that. But take a look. Amazing result. Now look at the driver one now. Now we're gonna do the driver one, and we're gonna use the exact same thing. You're supposed to shake this just for like a few seconds. Shake it like that. It's still a lot of work, but it's something you can do for less than 30 minutes. And the result is actually pretty surprising. I use it on my Jaguar, on my 2004 Jaguar XJ, on my passenger headlight, and the result was pretty astounding. Really impressive. You don't have to pay a bunch of money to replace your entire headlight. You don't have to spend anything extra or crazy. You can just buy a cheap paste and spin it with your hand and look at the result. It is actually really impressive. Like I said, I was watching videos online about this product, Gladiator. There's a lot of equivalents to that particular product. I'm not saying that one specifically. There's a lot of ones like that, but look at the result. All I did is apply a small amount to the rag, and then apply it to the entirety of the headlight itself. Clean it well before that too, which I did with just a regular glass cleaner. You can do that, but spinning motions and very firm application, and it works. It's almost as good as new. We're going to be doing more work on this car, suspension work. I'm going to show you this in a little bit, but I want to show you that because that is very, very nice. Very, very nice. Look at the result. It looks great in my opinion. Your headlights are gonna bright more clearly. I'm gonna apply it another time, and I think that will be enough. Take a look. Again, firmly, the entire headlight. You wanna make sure your low beam is very visible at nighttime. It brings back the style and the brightness of your headlight bulbs. And I love it. All you do is this. You can do it with a machine. It's less work and quicker, but if someone doesn't have one, you can also just do it by hand, and it's just as effective and comes out beautifully. Just like that. A little bit sweating here, but that's what hard work will do to you. Take a look. I think it's a great result. So there you go. That's how you store your headlights on your 2008 Citroen C3. Thank you guys.